What are 2 to 3 protocols, habits, mindsets, let's call them shortcuts because everybody likes shortcuts for longevity and a long health span that you would like to share?
My parents were just here visiting me for the last 2.5 months, so I saw a lot of things firsthand and gained a lot of wisdom from them. The first one I would say is that you've got to have a purpose in life. You've got to have a purpose. I was talking to my friends whose father was retired, and he says, man, my dad's been miserable for the last 5 years. And recently they were buying a property, so he got his dad involved in the deal. And for 3 months, his dad had been the happiest he had seen him in the last 5 years. And he goes, oh my God, I wish I could just buy a property every 3 months. And so having a purpose is going to be a huge factor in you wanting to wake up and wanting to live longer. So that's number one. Number two, I think your environment, at least for those of us that are, mortal and haven't ascended like spiritual masters, your environment is very, very essential to the way that you think. People say that you are the sum total of your 5 friends. It's absolutely true. So you've got to find friends that are as excited about longevity and healthy living and anti-aging as yourself. That's number two. You've got to have that in place. And then number three, you got to do all the right things. And there is a plethora of things we can talk about, but this is all dealing with the physical body. So sleeping right, managing your stress, eating good, exercising, then using supplements, then using the regenerative therapies and products like yours, Chris, Carbon 60, and more products that help you give you a chance physically being rejuvenated and meeting where technology is going to come in the next few years.